Hi, I'm Dr. Prerna Kohli. Let's talk about depression today. What is depression? Depression is when you're besides yourself, when you don't feel like eating, when you don't feel like sleeping, when you don't feel like doing anything that you usually do every day. Who does depression hit? Depression can come at any stage, at any point in our life. It can be in a school stage, it can be when you're in college, it can be when you are an adult, it can be after marriage, before marriage, at work, in relationships, associated with finance, it could be associated with health. Depression makes you a very different person when you lose interest in your life, when you don't want to socialize, when you totally want to withdraw, when you just don't know what's happening with your life. It really helps that time to talk to somebody at home, maybe your parents, maybe your teachers, or maybe your friends, because you need to talk about things which are giving you that depression. Depression occurs when after few days of feeling sad is just continuing. You maybe are crying every day. You are just having a headache. You're having a backache. It can come in any form. But any of these things which are happening consistently over a period of time and which are not really how you are, it's a sure sign of depression. And we can get out of depression if we start talking positively to ourselves. Because whatever the issue may be is going to change. Life is always changing. But bringing about a change in ourselves is a conscious decision. I would suggest that each one of us should do something productive every day in our life. Be it a housewife, be it a student, be it somebody going to work, be it at an old senior age, we have to do something meaningful for ourselves. We could join an NGO, we could develop a skill, or maybe something like we wanted to learn a language, or we wanted to probably learn how to play a guitar. Or it could be any kind of meaning contribution in somebody else's life, if not yours, where you could put a smile on somebody else's face. You teach an underprivileged child. Or you could probably take up a hobby. It could be cooking, it could be gardening, it could be photography, anything that you wanted to do. You have to look after your inner child, because that part of you has been lost somewhere. And that is why you feel depressed. You feel depressed because you don't love yourself anymore. You feel depressed because you don't accept yourself anymore. You don't approve of yourself. You just don't recognize the person in the mirror. So depression is something which can occur over a few months, over a few years. It can keep coming back. We have to learn what is a trigger point, what makes us feel depressed. It could be seasonal affective disorder. People in winters feel depressed. I would suggest go out in the sun, go and enjoy the flowers, do exercise, sleep well, eat nutritious food. If you're also going to be dieting and losing weight, not in a healthy way, you will suffer from depression. And depression can really bring about a halt to your life. So do take care of yourself. Reach out to a senior person, to a wiser person, reach out to some books, self-help books, reach out to a counselor, whatever that helps you and supports you to come out of that phase and make you your wonderful self again. Thank you.